Now let's move on to the next exercise where we are going to discuss match the columns. The first statement is, she had had many happy hours planning something nice for him. So the answer is 8th one from the next column. It had once belonged to his father. 9. It almost made itself into a dress for her. 1. She stood still while a tear or two rained down her face. 7. Take your hat off and let me look at it. So the answer is 2. Its value was in its rich and pure material. 3. She hurried home with the chain and 87 cents. 6. And the last one is, he simply looked at her with the strange expression on his face. 4. So we are done with the exercise related with match the columns. I hope you have understood this very well. Thank you.